See, the situation at the international borders, meaning Myanmar with Manipur and Nagaland, tends to be very volatile, and it keeps changing. I mean, the contours of the story keep changing. But what I can share with you is that as we speak, we have already identified a spot where there will be this scanning of vehicles, and that process, once that happens, because fortunately for Meghalaya, there is just one entry point. The other likely entry point is from the interstate border with Assam. But what is happening now is close to 95% of these illicit substances come from the Golden Triangle via Myanmar and Manipur. So once that once we have the scanners, we will definitely be able to track the movement of narcotics. Two is, we also could see that a popular government is taking over the reins of power in Manipur. That to a large extent will also ensure that the rule of law hopefully prevails, and once you have an elected government rather than a governor running the administration on behalf of the center, then the grip over the local governance tends to be firmer. I'm very happy to share this with you that we have had interaction with authorities of the Cantonment Board and also 101 area. These areas have in the past been outside the purview or the realm of influence of the state government, at least as far as check on narcotics is concerned. Today, we are working in close tandem with the cantonment authorities, which is why there are frequent raids happening within their areas. You could see this loam survey, for instance, the entire loam survey, then the Maoba border areas bordering cantonment land. These there are frequent raids happening as we speak in those areas as well. So that loophole is now being checked, and also once we have these facilities like the vehicle scanner, nobody will be liable to be excused or to be given exemption from these scanners, because we will ensure that all movements go through the scanning process, so that we totally rule out the possibility of these illicit substances making their way into Meghalaya. As far as we are concerned, we are encouraging civil society to come in. Cases related to crime against children, for instance, have been taken up in right earnest by these commissions, and we should also be proud of the fact that even internationally, Meghalaya has been acknowledged as one of the safest destinations for women. I immediately recall a video which went viral showing how males in Meghalaya behave towards females. They were so protective, ensuring that whoever visits the state feels safe, feels at home.